Toyota vehicles receive software updates through multiple methods, each designed to keep your car's systems current and secure. Over-the-air updates are available for Toyota models from 2022 onwards. These wireless updates download automatically when your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Older Toyota vehicles from 2018 to 2021 primarily use USB updates, where you download update files and install them via the vehicle's USB port. Dealer updates are required for critical safety systems and ECU firmware. Toyota software updates cover three main areas: infotainment systems, including audio, navigation, and Bluetooth; vehicle control modules for engine, transmission, and safety systems; and connectivity features like Toyota Safety Connect and remote access capabilities. Keeping your Toyota software current ensures optimal vehicle performance, provides access to enhanced features and new capabilities, and maintains improved security against potential vulnerabilities. Regular updates help your Toyota operate at its best. Toyota offers three main methods for updating your vehicle's software: over-the-air updates for newer models, USB updates for older vehicles, and dealer updates for all models. For vehicles from 2022 and newer, over-the-air updates provide the most convenient method. Your car connects wirelessly to receive updates directly from Toyota's servers. The process is straightforward. First, ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi. Then navigate to Settings, System, and Software Update. Check for updates, download and install while parked, and restart when prompted. Your infotainment screen will display the update progress and guide you through each step of the installation process. For older Toyota models, USB updates remain the primary method. This process requires a few more steps, but is still straightforward to complete. You'll need a USB drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage, formatted as FAT32. This format ensures compatibility with Toyota's systems. Start by visiting Toyota's official update portal and entering your vehicle identification number. Download the update files to your formatted USB drive, then insert it into your vehicle's USB port. Follow the on-screen installation prompts and keep your engine running throughout the entire update process to ensure proper power supply. Dealer updates are necessary for critical safety systems and require scheduling an appointment. Most updates complete successfully, with OTA updates averaging 22 minutes and USB updates taking up to 45 minutes. Remember these key safety tips. Always park safely before starting any update, keep your engine running during USB updates, and ensure a stable internet connection for over-the-air updates.